For the past 62 years, RMN DXDC have been a source of credible news and information, even as new challenges emerge, such as the advent of digitalization, the COVID-19 pandemic. RMN DXDC persists through the trust and goodwill it generated through aeons of public service. You did resilient way for not running out of information, mainly because DXDC offers something very valuable that is credible. You have maintained the integrity in delivering fair, professional, balanced, and accurate information. No doubt, DXDC is providing high quality and credible information and what sustains you. Again, congratulations on your 62nd founding anniversary. I'm Dr. Reggie Jopson, always at your service. God bless.